So this is my first of many Porter Road videos. I'm now affiliate with Porter Roads. I stand behind Porter Road and I believe in Porter Road. Today we'll be using that beef bacon. So I need y'all to do me a favor if you would. So in the description are links for Porter Road. Porter Road is an American-owned operated company with American farmers. Pasture-raised animals, no hormones, no antibiotics, no growth injections to make them grow faster. They all grow on their natural rate. It's just something we need to get behind because it is American-owned. I just think that we need to support these types of people. But the video, the links for Porter Road will be in my description. Hopefully you all click in there. I think if you go in there and you click on it, you will be, I think it's a first time buyer, you will receive a 10% off discount. And if you buy $125 or more, the shipping will be free. I have to apologize. The sun's trying to come in here, bouncing off my stainless steel table right now, so it's actually blinding me. But check out Porter Road if you would, please. Subscribe to Sleeper Barbecue. I'm done rambling. Thank you. Probably the first thing I'm going to do is take these poblanos. I cut one in half, and I'm just going to get it on the griddle here. I think poblanos are so much better when they have a little bit of char on them. Alright, these are about ready here. Just a little bit of char on them softens them up and makes them a little bit more workable so they're not so stiff. Went out to the store last night to pick up some hash browns. Not one bag of pre-formed hash browns anywhere in that store. This is the first time I'm trying these simple potatoes. They're in the refrigerated section. So we're going to give them a shot. Let's get some salt on these things. I'm going to try and not really so much make them use them as a bread as much as wanting to keep them in shape so that I can wrap them later. This could be an experiment go bad, but we're going to keep on trying it. I'm going to get these poblanos cut up a little bit. This is just a mild cheddar. There's a possibility I salvaged the hash browns. I just added the whites of 4 eggs on these hash browns. Alright, next what I'm going to do, Porter Road, uncured beef bacon. Thick slice, new to me. I can't wait to try it. And of course I gotta put Uncle Steve's Lucky Shake on that. Just a little bit, not a whole bunch. Alright, so in here I have a little bit of salt, pepper, onion, poblanos, some cheddar cheese, and we're going to attempt to make 2 omelets out of this little bit here. Alright, things are moving a little fast on me, so as you can see I've got some butter down and I've got the eggs sort of kind of trying to shape them also, again, to mimic the hash browns, and we're getting ready to start plating this thing, or putting it together. I mean, we'll bring it back. I'm going to drop some cheese on these potato patties, and this is where things are going to start getting a little bit interesting. So far, so good. I was sweating this one. Still not home free yet. Alright, well, we made it to the cutting board. There y'all have it, my friends. We're gonna let these cool a little bit and we'll bring you right back. Alright, we're gonna try and get this thing cut. We got some more pictures. It does, that thick beef bacon slices like a steak too. It's thick. But I'm gonna see if I can't get a bite of it here before it all comes apart on me. You see that poblano in there. Can't wait. Still steaming. Oh yeah, that is fantastic. Alright, there y'all have it. Probably the first Porter Road bacon, poblano, onion, cheddar cheese omelet in between two hash browns that you've ever seen. Maybe. I'm thinking so. That's all I got for you. Make sure you go to Porter Road and check out the links below. And those links will give you all the information you need. And I'm pretty sure that if you go in there, I'm not sure, I think it's a first-time buyer, but I'm not positive of that. I will check on that before the next video for Porter Road, which is probably tomorrow. But if you go and use the links, I think the first-time purchase is 10% off. You know, search around, look at the site. It's a great place. It's American owned, American operated, American farmers. It's just something we need to get behind and support, in my opinion. And I hope you all do so. I'm Lance with Sleeper Barbecue. We'll see you on the next one.